The first question I'll answer is question number 1. On page 100, the book says that a simulation process is settling into a new job. In my experience, it took some time to get used to the environment of the job. Some people were willing to have a conversation while they worked, while others wouldn't. I think that you also have to resettle in the new position of a job where you have to talk to different people. I think this process works very well, but when you have multiple managers and they all have different intensities, this causes confusion in the workplace of what you can do and what you can't do without getting yelled at. The second question I'll answer is question number 3. When talking to men, you might have to be more detailed in your conversation to get what you need done, but when talking to women, it is more of an exchange of information. On page 110, the author mentions women tend to use communication in the workplace. They typically ask more questions to continue the conversation, while men tend to use statements and overall shorter conversations. I think the author missed is when talking to a man or woman, they all communicate differently, and this is not a set way to talk to a certain gender. The third question I'll answer is question number 5. On page 115, the author says that we need to be aware that every generation is different and we need to know what is different, but also what they have in common. By knowing what values you have in common, you can find a common ground and build your relationship from there. The author missed mentioning that Generation Z, which will be a large part in the workplace very soon.